Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. Let's go to analyze market. This is euro CAD pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. This is a market momentum. This is a uptrend market. This is a market momentum. Next seller's entry point at here. This is a very strong candles, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. Let's see. Okay, I have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is a winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, I'll place a lower option. Okay, this is a very fast momentum. So I am placing this place. So I'm expecting to make a rejection. Previous seller's entry point at here, but I will place trade this area. Very fast momentum. Place a trade at this level. Okay, no problem. It's a very strong seller's entry. It's a very strong rejections at this point, so that's the reason I place a lower option. You can see very strongly rejection at this area. Again. Okay, this also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. Okay, I will place a higher option. This is a very strong momentum. This is a higher highs, so I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Next seller's entry point at here, so that's the reason I will place a higher option. Let's see. Okay, a little bit late entry. Okay, I have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is a little bit late entry. Okay, I'll place a higher option. And this is a very strong momentum. It's a seller's entry point, but I'm expecting to make another bullish candle. Why? Because there is a market momentum is higher highs, so that's the reason I'm expecting to make a bullish candle. Okay, some buyers enter the market, but still some sellers also very strong enter this market at the level, so that's the reason candle is make a rejection from sellers. Okay, it's make a very big bullish candle. Okay, this is also winning trade. Let's check the next pair. This is a buyer's entry point. Okay, little bit go down. I will try to place a higher option. Okay, there is no opportunity. This is a market momentum. There is no opportunity. I will try to recover this trade. This market is not good. So many doji candles at here. Okay, little bit go up. I would like to place a lower option. Okay, I will place a lower option. Okay, I'm expecting make a bearish candle. There is no buyer's entry. But again it's entered the very late entry. Okay, let's see, you have 5 seconds only. Again make a late entry. Very strong rejection. Okay, we'll place a higher option. So I'm expecting make a bullish candle. Why? Because this is a very strong rejection. There is no seller's entry very strongly. This is a uptrend market, so that's why reason I place a higher option. This is a market momentum I'm expecting. You can see some buyers enter the market. Okay, this is a very strong level. So some buyers enter the market. There is no enter the sellers. I'm expecting sellers, but there is no enter the seller. This is a very strong rejection. This is a buyer rejection. Previously some buyers are very strongly enter the market, so that's why reason I place a higher option. And this also winning trade. Check the next pair. Okay, I will place a higher option. It's a very strong bullish candle, make a new high, and this also uptrend market. Okay, let's see. So I'm expecting make a bullish candle. Next resistance level at here. Sometimes are this candle behavior, it's going to make a touch the resistance level, again closing point at the bearish candle. This behavior is not analyze the market. You can see touch the resistance level, again it's going to move down. But sometimes are it's opening point at here, it's going to more up, closing the bullish candle. So these type of candles are very confusing the market. Still I will place a higher option. Okay, I will place a higher option. This is a buyer's entry point. Candle touch the resistance level, again closing point at the buyer's area. This is a buyer's entry. This is a buyer's entry. Now next buyer's entry point at here. Next buyer's entry point at here. So this is a uptrend market. Candle behavior identify this momentum. Okay, that's why reason I place a higher option. Let's see, you have 5 seconds only. Okay, this is also winning trade. This is a bearish momentum. First time it's make a engulfing candle, but some sellers waiting for this level. Sometimes are it's going to touch and rejection, it's make a bearish candle. Sometimes are going to make a bullish candle, so you can wait for this candle. This is a seller's entry point. Okay, very strongly enter the buyers. There is no rejections, but this is a seller's area. This is a very strong candle. This is a seller's area, and major trend is uptrend market. So that's why reason I will place a higher option, some marginal safety trade. Okay, and this is a very strong candle. Major trend is uptrend market. Little bit sellers entry pointed here, so I'm expecting make a bullish candle. Very strongly enter the buyers, and major trend is uptrend market. Okay, if you want this pure price action candlestick psychology, you can join my video course or contact on my WhatsApp. Zoom class also available. Okay, we have 5 seconds only, and this also winning trade. Okay, we place a 6 trades, all are winning trades, and I hope if you like this video, like, share and subscribe. If you are interested, join my Telegram video course. Okay, thank you.